Hi friends, Budget Special 2021. I'm Harsh Verma, founder of Royal Trading Lab. We provide training and mentoring in financial market and wealth creation solutions. My mission is to help 1 lakh people to attain financial freedom through stock market investment, budget and market reactions. This is some key finding from the last few years budgets output of the market output. Last year market, the budget market down 2.51%. Uh, Year 2019 is fall 1.14%. Again in 2019 in the Feb is up 0.58%. In year 2018's market again fall 0.10%. In the year 21-17 rise 1.8%. From the last 10 years data, we are finding that market behave after the budget is neutral to slightly negative parts. Now, what is expectation from this budget? What the market perform? Well, from this data clearly indicating that market behavior after the budget is neutral to the negative parts. Well, outlook of the Union Budget 21. Expectation government provide that income tax holiday for the electrical vehicle unit operations. Well, company related to this segment are mainly focus. Then logistic companies, technological sector companies who provide the technology services. Then pharma sectors, defense, healthcare sector, public sector unit reform. These are some list of the public sector company who are focused in the coming time. Well, Royal Trading Lab provide training and mentoring in stock market investment with a practical approach and hand holding. Every week we organize mastermind meetup for stock review and market idea. Our wealth creation mantra is on short-term monthly 5% returns and invest long-term in index ETF funds. Every week we do mastermind and meetup review and stock idea. Market outlook. The main part of the Nifty are the Reliance Industries. Is the weightage is 11.8%. The second part is IDFC Bank is 10.34%. LDFC is 7.2%. Infosys 6.89%. ICICI Bank 5.39%. TCS 5.2%. ITC 4.32%. Hindustan Lever 3.69%. Bharti 3.1%. This is a composition of the Nifty. Now we can look what happened in the what is going on the Nifty. Well, this is a Nifty daily chart. In Nifty daily chart is clearly indicating that level the key level is 14,222. 14,222 is broken on 25th of January. Clearly indicating that uptrend is broken down and bears are more powerful than we have come down to the weekly chart. This is a Nifty weekly chart. It's a very big red candle form. It's a clear, very much indicating that bears are more controlling the bulls. In price behavior, you can say see the engulfing bearish pattern form. The engulfing bearish pattern form. Almost the last 6 weeks from this chart clearly indicating that markets going downwards, and first level is 13,131 and 12,430. It's very much indicating market going to be downwards. A stock idea for the budgets. Are you ready to know which are the stocks idea? The stocks are TCS, SCL Tech, Tech Mahindra, DLF, Goddess Properties, Sovar Developers, Dr. Reddy, HEL, L&T, Ashok Leyland, Bajaj Auto, Havel, Bell, Dabur. Monthly chart of Bell. Cup and handle formation are found in these charts. Now you can see this is a price dropping from 120 level to the almost 54 rupees, again moving upwards and again down and upward. It's forming cup and handle formation. This is a very beautiful cup and handle formation completed, and neckline of this pattern is 116 rupees and currently price traded at 130. This is a clear-cut bread upward movement form in this charts, and the target for this pattern is 170 rupees. This is a very good opportunity for the long buy sides with a stop loss of 110 rupees. All level are for the education purpose only. Well, stock idea and market idea, join our weekly mastermind meetup every Sunday. For registration, WhatsApp your name at 9810611324 for Trading Lab.